Welcome
Back to testingtools.co channel. Uh, we have been hearing a lot about ChatGPT, right? I know I might be late in the race of sharing the knowledge, but I just wanted to share my views, how ChatGPT is currently ruling, okay, or you can say how it is being accepted or rejected. What are the various things that might happen using ChatGPT? Also, we'll see whether ChatGPT is good for us in the testing world or is it bad for us. Okay. So, what do you say? I would like you to share your comments as how do you feel about ChatGPT coming into the picture? Is it helping the testing world or is it creating a problem in with respect to jobs and all? Okay. So, without any further ado, we will get into the ChatGPT screen. I think you know how to log in into ChatGPT. You might have already, you know, created or registered yourself. If not, what you can do here is you can go to OpenAI website, and then here you can see product, which is ChatGPT. You can click on that. So I have already logged in. That is why it is logged in directly. Otherwise, it will ask you to register. It's a very straightforward thing. You can register, and then you can start using it. Okay. Now there is a small box at the bottom. Okay. Let's see what all things ChatGPT can do, especially in the testing world. Okay. Now, for example, you are new to learning something, like even in testing, whether I want to learn Java Selenium or Cypress or WebDriver IO or maybe Protractor. There are different kinds of tools that are available in the market of testing, right? So if you want to learn, do you think ChatGPT can help in any way? Let's see that first. Okay, I will say how to learn Cypress for automation testing. Okay, it says Cypress is a popular JavaScript based end-to-end testing framework that is used for automating web applications. Here are some steps you can follow to learn Cypress for automating testing. Okay, so it is, I think, very nicely giving the list of all steps that you have to do or to follow so that you will start learning the concepts. So the first one, it says you have to learn JavaScript. Okay, then you learn the basis of Cypress, and then you set up the environment, and then write some basic Cypress tests, practice with sample projects, and then join the Cypress community. So these are, I think, very good guidance. I think it is given, saying that these are the things you have to be knowing or you have to learn so that you can learn the Cypress automation testing using Cypress. Okay. Now this is a very high level thing, right? So now what you can do, you can further say that what I have to do in each of these steps. Okay. So it is here saying that familiarize yourself with JavaScript, right? Now what you will do, you will basically say give me detailed steps to learn JavaScript. Okay, this is our first step, right? If somebody already knows JavaScript, it is fine, you don't have to learn, right? Okay, so here it is, I think it is giving the guidance. Again, it is similar kind of steps it is saying basically. Okay, good. Now if you see, it is almost similar to what it has told to the Cypress related question, right? First familiarize with JavaScript, it is saying. So here also it is saying learn the basics of programming, understand the document object model. This is the how you interact in the web pages using JavaScript, right? And then write some JavaScript code, get familiar script. You have to be familiar with what are the various libraries available or methods available or frameworks, right, that you can use with JavaScript, because those will be very important. especially if you are looking at this is I think more for the people who are wanting to do development using JavaScript, like the front end development and all those things. But for us, it's not okay. So let's even check that. Instead of giving a generic question, I'll say, give me detailed steps to learn JavaScript. I would rather say for automated testing. Let's see what it gives now. Okay. Again, the basics is there. Get familiar with same, testing frameworks and libraries. Learn how to use test runners. See, this is little different. So, I think ChatGPT is at least giving us some kind of, guidance, right? So there is a lot of video tutorials already available in YouTube, right? But they always say that what is the step-wise steps as what has to be learned first and then what next and then what next. I think that kind of guidance you can basically get from this ChatGPT, right? So here I think we can say that ChatGPT is helping us in getting the guidance as in what way we have to learn things. What is the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 3. And again, here it is saying that, get familiar with testing frameworks using JavaScript. So I will say, which are the popular JavaScript testing frameworks? So it says Jest is one, then Mocha, then Jasmine. There are different ones, I guess. There is also Cypress. Okay, that is good. There is Protractor. I think there are more, like WebDriver IO is also there, one of the other things. But I think it has given whatever it has been trained, right? So ChatGPT has been trained on maybe some popular things. So it is showing the top 5. Then you can ask what are the top 10 also. Right, give me detail. No, what is this? Which are the top 10 popular JavaScript testing frameworks? So now it is giving 10. Earlier it gave only 5 ones, right? So here Jest, Mocha, Jasmine, Cypress, Protractor, Puppeteer, Ava, Tape, Karma, Nightwatch. Okay, so if I ask for more, it will give more. So it knows most of the frameworks that what are available in the market. So it keeps on increasing this. Now you can pick, if you want to learn the most popular one, I think it is Jest. So you can start learning about Jest. So instead of feeling that ChatGPT is basically killing a job, so I think it helps us to even make us more knowledgeable, skillful, right? So let's see how I can learn more about Cypress, right? So learn the basics of Cypress is what it is saying. Now let me say how to write, how to automate. Okay. Cypress, please give an example. Okay, it is saying that you have to install Cypress, then create a new project, write your tests. It is also giving us a sample test here, the code. I think that is great. And then it is saying how do you basically run the tests. Very nice. Okay. Okay. So if you see here, this is how it says you have to create a test. And this, Cypress uses a simple and intuitive syntax for writing tests. You can write tests in JavaScript, and Cypress provides a set of built-in commands to interact with web pages and perform assertions. For example, here is a simple test that navigates to a website and verifies the page title. So this is a small basic code which tells to navigate to a particular website, and then you basically check the title whether it is equal to this or not. Okay, so yeah. Now let us say I want to know more about. Okay, give me list of APIs of Cypress. So I want to see what all methods or all are those there, what kind of APIs are there, and what is the meaning of each of them. So if you see here, it says CY is basically Cypress here, dot visit, it navigates to URL, find an HTML element using a selector, that is get, contains, find an element that contains specific text. So there are different kinds of methods that you can use. It says you can directly use dot screenshot to take a screenshot. This is great. Okay, I think yeah, this is showing only some of the APIs. It's also saying you can find a full list of Cypress APIs in the official documentation. So I think this ChatGPT has helped in bringing a guidance system as how you want to learn, what you have to learn, from where you have to learn, what are the various things that you have to do. Even if you want some code, you can easily get here, right? So here, if you saw, there is a very simple code that it is given. Okay. Similarly, I think I want you to explore how to use ChatGPT and then learn things. Okay, and share your comments in the comment box. I think it will be very much. I'll be very much happy to basically see what kind of exploration you are doing, right? I might be doing more videos on ChatGPT with respect to testing or in a general way. So if you like this content, I would request you to hit that like button. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and then hit that bell icon so that any new videos I'm uploading, you will not miss them. Okay. And I will try my best to add more and more videos. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.